Shalom, my brothers and sisters. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey, and we are Sham Stoppers coming at you today. We want to talk about being a man is the new radicalism, and we're gonna talk about DNA. We're gonna talk about DNA today. You know, I just picked the state, Louisiana. I'm gonna play around with Louisiana. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all some shit. If they want to take your DNA, which is so retarded to me, you know, that's the craziest shit. Now, if you committed some criminal acts against somebody, yeah. But for busting a nut, and I ain't talking about raping somebody, I'm talking about between you and the mother, you and your other half, you made this offspring in the intimacy of your own home. Oh, we finna get down to the meat and potatoes. Paternity information. Let me go and get that because I ain't gonna be too long. Alright, what that say? Acknowledgement paternity affidavits executed in the hospital at the time of the birth are submitted to the Vital Records Registry with the birth record by the hospital. They are processed and filed without charge. Your child's birth certificate will reflect their name and the paternity information shown on the affidavit. Alright. You see that? Acknowledgement of paternity affidavits or legal documents. Adhere to instructions provided. Carefully read the initial alternatives, rights, and responsibilities. Now here we go. Acknowledgement of paternity, child born outside of marriage, which what they call not wedlock. So they gonna call your child, excuse me people, I don't like to say that word, they gonna call your son or your daughter a bastard. Alright? The acknowledgement of paternity affidavit is used to add biological father to a child's birth certificate if the mother was not married at the time of the birth within 300 days of the birth. If an acknowledgement of paternity affidavit was not completed for this child in the past and there is already a father listed on the child's birth certificate, do not complete this form. Look, the acknowledgement of paternity may not be signed before your child is born. You see that? This legal document type or complete the form in black ink. Do not alter the form, use liquid paper, or make any scratch outs. Forms that have been altered will be rejected. Excuse me, people. Shit. Complete each item on the form. List the current insurance coverage. We already know they want some insurance, goddammit. See that? You must list your social security number on the form. If you do not have a social security number, write none. Both parents must sign this form with 2 witnesses in the presence of a licensed notary. Do not sign this form before you have it notarized. Show the notary your picture identification. The notary must write or stamp the state notary ID under their signature. You see that? You ready for this, my brothers? Boom, boom, boom. Revocation acknowledgement of paternity within 60 days. Any person signing an acknowledgement of paternity without cause, revoke their acknowledgement within 60 days of execution of signing the form. The person must complete the revocation of acknowledgement of paternity affidavit and file it with the vital records within the 60-day period. You see that? Do you see that? Hey, this is the greatest motherfucking channel on YouTube. Didn't I tell y'all that? Huh? Did I tell y'all that? Let's click here and see what they talking about. What that say? Huh? Fellas, don't be played by these women. Alright? Don't be played by these women. Don't be the goddamn boo-boo the fool. Alright? Now check this shit out. Say if you get in there, they want to strong arm you and talking about, we gonna force you to do this and we gonna force you to do that. You can't force a man to do shit he don't want to against his own free will. I don't care who the fuck you is. Look at this. Louisiana paternity forms, documents, and law. Hey, this the greatest motherfucking channel on YouTube. Alright? I'm just gonna go right here in their own motherfucking word. What did they say? How do you challenge paternity? Huh? You see that? You see that right there? Huh? We gonna go deeper than that. I Googled this shit, you know? Look at that. Hey, let's go to the state legislators, alright? Y'all ready for that? And I wrote it down, Louisiana Civil Code. Where that shit at, goddammit? You think I'm playing? What that say? Huh? What that say? Oh, you think it's a game? Louisiana, you hiding that? You want to play games? Huh? You want to play? Okay, cool. Play games. We got you. We got you. Wait a minute. Let me let y'all see it again. What it say right here? No process specified. Articles 203 and 206. Alright. I got a minute left, people. 203. See 203 right here? I'm pointing at it. 203. Let's go to 203. What that say? Repeal acts under 192. Alright, it's under 192. Let's check 192. 192. The mother shall prove by clear and convincing evidence both that her former husband is not the father and that her present husband is the father. The testimony of the mother shall be corroborated by other evidence. Y'all want me to drop you these jewels? If you ain't married to the motherfucker, it don't apply to you. And hey, you need help? Hit us up for DNA. Okay? Hit us up for DNA. And just because you fill out their paperwork, don't mean it's going to work for you. This is Sham Stoppers, the greatest motherfucking channel on YouTube. Peace.